Terra Classic on a tear, still on a tear and going up, and it doesn't look like it's weakening at all either. I found this article and it has a price prediction for Terra Luna Classic in it, so we'll get into that after we look at the chart and see if it all makes sense, see if it's possible. My gosh. Okay, so this is Terra Luna Classic's day chart, and as we see, its new all-time high is 0.30 and 44. So this is getting good. This is good stuff. My gosh, not that long ago we were down at 1.6 to 44, and still going strong. We have a very, very nice volume candle here. It's higher up than any so far. Yeah, this is what I like if you just look at the volumes, that tells me a lot. And there's a lot of volumes. This isn't volumes on no volume, but more than before. No, this is high volumes and volumes breaking all-time high volumes, at least, since May of 2022. So we don't have all that much time to go by, but let me tell you, this is strong. This is nice. So the setup is what I look for. Also, let's see, the averages, the stacked averages are stacked positively. So there was a time when this red line would have been, well, it takes a while to see these because it hasn't been out long enough to have all these lines here, the moving averages, and now they're stacked positively. I love that fact too. And we are climbing, and it looks steep, but is it really all that steep, the climb? Because remember, these are low numbers. So when you crunch it down, it's not that steep, because when things run up really steep, like really, really steep, and with a lot of money in between, it could pull back in pretty quick. But I was like thinking to myself, how steep are these charts really? I mean, we're expanding the charts at small numbers, so that gives me a little bit more confidence, because, well, look at the past. I mean, from here, August, let's say we started this up, let's say August 24th roughly, and today is September 6th, and check it out, nice jump up, and boom, 2 days in a row of really good volumes. Now, yesterday was Labor Day, so the stock market was closed. Today it's open. The tech sector is down, but the Dow and the S&P 500 are doing okay. So kind of positive news there. Can you just imagine if out of the blue Ethereum and Bitcoin started to take off? And everything being equal with Terra Luna Classic, I think this could be something very, very interesting. I'm not hearing any real negative news about Terra Luna Classic at the moment, and the catalysts are really good and in our favor. So I don't usually come out and say things like that too often, but yeah, I'm liking what I'm seeing. I feel good about it, and we'll see what happens. But I'm not the only one who's feeling good about it. Let's go look at this article. So as it is, I don't really have a whole lot to say. Can we break the all-time high today? We could because we were there not that long ago. And then what would be the next one up? So that's where this article kicks in. So Terra Classic price skyrockets 70%. Here's why more rally is expected. All right, let's just jump down here. As the community aims to push prices over 0.0005, so where are we right now? We are at 0.034. We're almost at 4. Okay. The daily trading volume has jumped over 2 billion in the last 24 hours. The trading volume shoots over 550,000 with 2.78 billion as the current trading volume. This is huge. Like I said, remember I was saying, boy, I like these candles. I'm liking what I'm seeing. Okay, the community believes the short-term target of 1 penny could be hit this month if the momentum continues. So that's a price prediction for this month, a penny. Unreal. I don't know if it's possible. It'd be nice if it were. Anything is possible in crypto. I know that as a fact. Anything is possible. And we have other things happening with Terra Luna Classic. More people are getting interested in it. More people are going and making YouTube videos about it. More people are sharing the YouTube videos on Twitter, Facebook, wherever, sharing, and people are talking about it. And bigger crypto YouTubers are now talking about Terra Luna Classic. And I said that the other day. I said, look out. Now that there's a bunch, because all you have to do is check check on YouTube and type in Terra Classic and look at the ones with a huge number of subscribers. I'm still under 2,000, so my channel is very small, but you got YouTubers with 100,000, 200,000 subscribers, and now in the past week, they're starting to talk about it. And I mean many, not just one, two. I mean, a lot of them are talking about it. And that right there is powerful. And I also said in my last video, I think it was my last video, be careful because the YouTubers, they might not even hold a lot of crypto. Terra Luna Classic, who talk about these bigger guys, but if they decide to sell out and tell everybody they're selling out, it could cause a panic, even if they only sell out $1,000 worth, because people might be, oh, that's a signal to sell. That's why I say you got to do your own thinking. Do your own thinking. Don't count on YouTubers to tell you that they sold out or they're buying in, because they know that if they have a lot of followers, it could actually crash a crypto too, right? If everybody panics, if they say like, oh, I'm getting out and everybody should get out. Well, they don't usually say that, but I'm just saying. So that's why I say you gotta use your head. You gotta know when to get out. And this article is saying possibly to a penny by the end of the month. Could that happen? I don't know. I'm not going to say it's going to happen, but I know that anything is possible. I just like what I'm seeing here, but I don't usually look to take these things too seriously. But it's all kind of pulling together. So yeah. Okay, so the community has burned 3.5 billion LUNC tokens and staked over 528 billion Terra Classic tokens until now. Interestingly, over 400 million LUNC tokens have been burned in the past 24 hours. 400 million. And 28 billion has been staked in the last 24 hours. Those numbers are getting interesting now. I know a lot of you guys are like, why don't you talk more about the burn and stuff? Well, I just want to know the bottom line. Are we burning more? Yes or no? Well, yes, we are. That's all I want to know. I can't talk 5 or 6 minutes about the burn. I'm sorry. There are other guys on YouTube who are really good at doing that. You know, come see me. You like charts, you like good news and positive energy, come see me. But if you want to talk burn, those guys do it better than me. I'll just flat out say it like that. I just want to know the bottom line. Good burn stuff going on. Good burn action right now. And staking too, because staking is kind of the newer thing. So we will see what happens. I'll put a link to this article below. And what do you think? Do you think we can get to a penny by the end of September 2022? I don't know. I don't know if we can. We are moving up. If we have, this volume here, double, kind of tripled to this. Can we take this volume here and double it over the next month? Or the next 3 or 4 weeks, not 3 weeks. It's possible that these volumes can go up higher, especially if everybody's talking about this. And you know what? A lot of people are talking about it, so it is a possibility. So yeah, I don't know. Just have to wait and see. But I'm liking what I see. I'm liking what I'm hearing. And I just have to sit back and wait to see what tomorrow brings. And remember, none of this financial advice. No one can predict accurately that this thing's going to go to a penny. It could go higher than a penny, right? It could go to a penny. Or it could turn right around, go sideways, or go down. I don't know, but I am thinking, though, that we do look bullish, and we could continue that way as long as everything keeps trending the way it is. And the wild card is good old Bitcoin and Ethereum. If those two decide to pump, look out. All right, guys. Not financial advice. Please hit that subscribe. Hit that bell. Let that bell be notified when my next Terra Luna Classic video comes out. And I thank you for watching. Have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.